In order. Can you put them in order?
Maybe.
They're all mixed up. Let's put them in order 1 through 10. Keep going. Let's start here. Let's put number 1 right here. Okay. Now put them in order. Here's 1. What number goes here?
At Alphabeteer, fun brain learning is so much fun. I learn to read and write and count while I jump and play and run. We're Alphabeteer, where